Welcome to Pangasinan State University,
home to one of the most distinguished Bachelor of Science in Architecture programs in the Ilocos region.
Here at PSU, we don't just build buildings, we build the future. Our Bachelor of Science in Architecture program is designed to nurture innovative minds and shape them into a leading architects of tomorrow.
At the heart of our program is a commitment to quality education, with a comprehensive curriculum grounded in design, theory, and technology. We ensure that our students are prepared to meet the ever-evolving demands of the industry.
As the prime architecture program in the Ilocos region, PSU has become the choice of aspiring architects across Northern Luzon. Our graduates have left a lasting impact in the region, contributing to the development of innovative, sustainable, and culturally relevant architecture.
The professors are very supportive. The facilities allow us to experiment and grow. We are pushed to be our very best every day.
Through rigorous design critiques, collaborative projects, and exposure to real-world challenges, PSU's architecture program prepares students for successful careers in architecture, urban planning, interior design, and more.
At PSU, learning goes beyond the classroom. Our students engage in fieldwork, community-based projects, and hands-on experiences, ensuring they graduate ready to contribute to society in meaningful ways.
State-of-the-art facilities, advanced technology, and expert faculty members make PSU a hub for architectural innovation in the region.
But PSU is more than just academics. Our vibrant campus life foster creativity, leadership, and teamwork, helping students become well-rounded professionals. Pangasinan State University's Bachelor of Science in Architecture program
is more than an education. It is a foundation for a lifetime of success.